Welcome back, beautiful people. So, can you guess which webcam is on the left and which webcam is on the right? If you are able to guess the correct webcam that I'm gonna be testing in this video, which is Lenovo Full HD webcam, you will get $5 via Paytm and PayPal. So don't forget to subscribe to the channel because I will be bringing a lot of great content soon. Ring the bell icon and like the video, and let's get straight into the video, man. So I think I have found the best 1080p webcam. It's definitely cheaper than this. This is Logitech C922 Pro. That's about $120, or the price I paid 12,500 Indian rupees. This is Lenovo's new webcam. It is 1080p 30 fps. You can get this for around $30 from amazon.com, and for my friends in India, this is around 2800. So in the box you just get this webcam, no tripod stand, nothing. That's all you get in the box. Alright, compared to C922 Pro from Logitech, it does have a cover for that lens. You can slide it around. Same problem, no detachable USB connection. That's really sad. Also, there's one feature that you guys are gonna like. You can turn this around. Alright, so I have hooked up both of these webcams to my PC, and one thing that I really like about this is you have this small light on this Lenovo webcam that turns on when you connect it to a PC. Things that I can do is, on this Logitech, is just this. Turn it up and down, while on this I can turn it here so I can show my PC. I can go up, I can go down, I can tilt, so that's really good. Also, I can just slide this here to protect my privacy. So I'm gonna run OBS and tell you guys how these two actually look. So let's see that. I'll see you guys in 1 second. So now, just for the context, both of the webcams, this and this, are recording at 1080p 30 fps because that's the max they support. They can do 720p 60 fps, but I do like a little bit more pixels, so 1080p 30 fps. And now for color signs of both these webcams. The Lenovo one actually is kind of true. Alright, so there are still some settings that you can do on both of the webcams to make them look a little bit better. So what are those settings? Now if you look on my OBS screen, you can see I have both the cameras on. So I can just double click on one of them, like I have to go to Lenovo Full HD. So here what you can do is go to configure video. Now when we are in this tab, you can do a lot of things to make yourself look better. No one actually just uses a webcam or even a camera on default settings. They have to make adjustments. So you can see the backlight compensation is off. You cannot do anything about that. You cannot change the gain, color enable, and many of the camera controls are just off by default. So you have some options that you can use to make yourself look better. Alright, so Now you can see I turned on Nvidia broadcast. This is the software. It's a simple tool for RTX owners. Now you can bring that really sick looking uh, background blur. It looks really good even for a webcam that is this cheap. It's really good. And you also have an option to reduce video noise. Now let's talk about Logitech C922 Pro. Yes, there are more settings that you can change, but there's also a positive side to that. The plus point of having a Logitech webcam is that you can actually save your settings that you do. The ones on the Lenovos, they don't save most of the time, but Logitech with their software, this software, you can actually save all your settings, and there are presets. Also, there are more settings, so you can already see some of the settings that were already great on our Lenovo's Full HD webcam are unlocked. So if I turn on backlit compensation, it's gonna look a lot better. So yeah, there are perks of having Logitech's webcam. Also in camera control, you can also zoom, focus, set exposure, that you could do in that too. This one is a Lenovo Full HD webcam, a $40 webcam, and this one right here is a $110 to $150 webcam, Logitech C922 Pro. So yeah, you be the judge if you want to spend that much money on just a webcam, or you want to save that much money and go for, you know what, let's say a second-hand GoPro. Even you can find a second-hand Logitech C922 Pro that is a better deal. This is what this video was about, comparing two webcams, Logitech C922 Pro and a Lenovo Full HD webcam. I hope you guys understand why you shouldn't waste your money in a web. Go for a cheaper Full HD webcam than an overpriced, very old webcam from Logitech. That's it for this video. I hope you guys liked it. If you want to know something about these webcams, I will be happy to help. You can just ask me in the comment sections, and if you liked more of these videos will come. By the way, I have to tell you one more thing. I formatted my PC for Windows 11, so I have lost about 13 or 14 videos that I had planned to release. So that is why I haven't been posting videos on my channel. So I'm sorry for that, but videos will come. Make sure you stay subscribed, and until then, peace.